Joint pain, nerve weakness, that deep stiffness in the morning that makes you question how your day will even begin. If you are over 50 and you wake up feeling older than you should. If your knees hurt before your feet even touch the floor. If your hands feel weak, numb, or tingly, then please don't skip this video, because what you're experiencing is not just aging, and more importantly, it's not permanent. Think about this for a moment. There was a time when you could walk without thinking, when climbing stairs didn't feel like a workout, when your grip was strong, your balance was steady, and your body responded when you asked it to. But now, something feels different. Your joints feel dry, stiff, almost rusty. Your nerves don't fire the way they used to. You feel weaker, slower, less confident in your own body. Here's the truth most people never tell you. After 50, your body doesn't just lose strength, it loses collagen. And when collagen breaks down, everything starts to suffer. Your joints lose cushioning, your cartilage thins out, your nerves lose their protective coating. Inflammation increases, pain signals become louder, healing becomes slower. That's why joint pain and nerve weakness often show up together. But here's the good news. Your body can still rebuild collagen, your nerves can still recover, your joints can still move smoothly again. If, and this is a big if, you give your body the right vitamins. Not expensive injections, not risky painkillers, not miracle cures from shady ads. Just the right nutrients that your body is desperately missing after 50. Let's talk about the first one. Vitamin C. Most people think vitamin C is just for immunity, but in reality, vitamin C is one of the most powerful collagen builders in your body. Without it, your body simply cannot produce new collagen. Vitamin C helps repair joint tissue, strengthen ligaments, and protect nerves from oxidative damage. It also reduces inflammation that makes pain worse. That's why people low in vitamin C often experience more joint stiffness, slower healing, and increased nerve sensitivity. Now let's talk about vitamin D. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, it's a hormone. And after 50, many people are dangerously low in it without even knowing. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium properly, strengthens bones, and reduces joint pain. But here's what most people don't know. Vitamin D also supports nerve signaling. Low vitamin D is linked to nerve pain, muscle weakness, poor balance, and even burning or tingling sensations. If you feel weak, unstable, or sore even without much activity, vitamin D deficiency could be a big reason. Next comes vitamin B12. This one is critical for nerve health. Vitamin B12 helps maintain the protective covering around your nerves. When B12 levels drop, nerves become exposed, irritated, and damaged. That's when symptoms like numbness, tingling, sharp pain, and weakness begin. Many people over 50 struggle to absorb B12 properly due to digestion changes, and that's why nerve issues become more common with age. If you feel pins and needles in your hands or feet, or sudden nerve shocks, B12 could be missing from your system. Now, let's talk about vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 supports nerve communication and helps reduce inflammation that affects joints. It plays a key role in keeping nerve signals smooth and balanced. Too little B6 can cause nerve pain, muscle weakness, and joint discomfort. The right amount helps nerves heal and reduces stiffness. Then there's vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 helps guide calcium to where it belongs, your bones, and keeps it out of your joints and arteries. Without enough K2, calcium can build up in the wrong places, leading to joint stiffness, pain, and reduced mobility. K2 works closely with vitamin D to protect joints and improve flexibility, especially after 50. Another powerful one is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant. It protects joint tissue and nerve cells from damage caused by inflammation and aging. It improves blood flow to nerves, reduces oxidative stress, and helps joints move more comfortably. People with low vitamin E often experience more pain, slower recovery, and increased nerve sensitivity. Now let's talk about vitamin A. Vitamin A supports tissue repair and immune balance. It helps your body regenerate damaged joint and nerve tissue and supports collagen maintenance. It also helps reduce inflammation that worsens pain and stiffness. And finally, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Vitamin B1 is essential for nerve energy and muscle function. Without it, Nerves struggle to send proper signals, leading to weakness, fatigue, and nerve pain. B1 helps nerves produce energy, improves muscle control, and reduces nerve-related discomfort. Now here's something very important. Taking vitamins alone is not magic. Consistency is what creates results. When your body receives these vitamins daily, it slowly begins to rebuild collagen, calm inflammation, repair nerves, and restore joint lubrication. It doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen. People often notice less morning stiffness, better grip strength, reduced nerve tingling, smoother movement, more confidence in walking, less dependence on painkillers. They start trusting their body again. If you're over 50, your body isn't broken, it's just undernourished. And when you give it what it needs, it responds. Even now. Before you go, I want to ask you something. Do you want to keep living around pain, or do you want to move freely again? If this video helped you understand your body better, do one thing right now. Like this video so more people over 50 can see it. Subscribe to this channel for real, practical health guidance. And comment below. I choose to heal. So I know you were serious about your health, your joints, your nerves, your mobility. And it's not too late to take them back.